In today's video, I'm going to show you how to center artwork in Illustrator quickly and perfectly every single time. Whether you're designing logos, social media graphics, posters, or any kind of layout, knowing how to properly center your artwork is a fundamental skill that will instantly make your designs look more professional. The best part is, it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and load the document that contains the artwork you want to center. This can be a shape, text, a logo, multiple grouped objects, or even an image. The process works the same way for almost everything inside Illustrator. Start by selecting the artwork you want to center. You can do this by clicking on it with the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of your toolbar. If you have multiple elements that should move together, hold Shift and click each one, or drag your cursor over them to select everything at once. If your design includes several pieces that belong together, it's a good idea to group them first. To do that, right-click and choose Group, or press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. Grouping ensures everything stays aligned as a single unit. Once your artwork is selected, the next step is to open the Align panel. Go to the top menu, click on Window, and then choose Align from the drop-down list. This will open the Align panel, which is where all the alignment magic happens in Illustrator. If you already see the Align options at the top of your screen, you can still open the full panel to access all settings. Now here's the most important step that many beginners miss. At the bottom of the Align panel, you'll see a setting called Align To. Click on it and make sure you select Artboard. This is crucial. If Align To is set to Selection or Key Object instead of Artboard, your artwork will align relative to something else rather than the artboard itself. Since we want to center the artwork on the entire canvas, we need Align To set to Artboard. After setting Align to Artboard, look at the alignment buttons in the panel. First, click Horizontal Align Center. This will instantly move your selected artwork to the exact horizontal center of the artboard. You'll see it snap directly into the middle from left to right. Next, click Vertical Align Center. This will move your artwork into the exact vertical center of the artboard, positioning it perfectly from top to bottom. And just like that, your artwork is now perfectly centered on the artboard both horizontally and vertically. It's precise, clean, and mathematically aligned. No guessing, no dragging manually, and no trying to eyeball it. If you're working with multiple artboards, make sure you have the correct artboard active before aligning. You can select the Artboard tool from the toolbar and click on the artboard you want to use. Illustrator will always center the object based on the currently active artboard when Align To is set to Artboard. Centering artwork properly is especially important for logo design, social media posts, thumbnails, print layouts, and presentation graphics. Using the Align panel instead of manually dragging ensures your design stays consistent and professional every time. So to quickly recap, select your artwork, open the Align panel from Window and Align, set Align To Artboard, click Horizontal Align Center, and then click Vertical Align Center. That's it. 5 simple steps to perfectly centered artwork in Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.